Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. In this video, we're using the Quest 3 headset in a Microsoft Teams meeting. Okay, so the purpose of this video is just to do a really quick demo of using a Meta Quest 3 headset within the Immersive Spaces within Microsoft Teams. So it's using the Microsoft Mesh environment on the Quest 3 headset and then using that within a Microsoft Teams meeting. The Immersive Spaces is now available in the Teams application more widely. So we're going to test it out today, kind of go through the setup steps, what you need to do on the headset and what you need to do on your PC. So first of all, we'll jump across just to show you what I'm doing on the PC, and then I'll jump between the PC and the headset view just to show you what's going on. Okay, just before I jump into the desktop, I just wanted to explain a couple of things regarding the actual application. So on the screen, on the phone now, you can see I'm in the Meta Quest application. So if I just go to the home screen, go to search and search for Mesh. You'll see then at the moment in mine, there are 3 applications showing for Microsoft Mesh. The bottom one there is a deprecated version, which you can see there. And then we've got 2 other ones, which one is a preview, which is that one, and then the other one is Microsoft Mesh. That doesn't say preview, that doesn't say deprecated. So this one here is the one I have on the headset. There is another one, you can see that one, which is a preview version, which you can still get, but they both got the same release date of the 5th of October. So I have to be honest, I'm not sure what's going on. But I have downloaded and installed the Microsoft Mesh, this one. I previously had the deprecated one, and you'll see on the headset I have to switch from the deprecated one and update to the newer version. I'll show that on the headset view. Just wanted to show you where you can get that and install it from the actual Meta Quest application on your phone. But also you can also do it within the store, within the headset. But some of the App Labs applications don't appear if you look on the store directly on the headset sometimes. So I tend to do it on the phone, on your phone application, first of all. Okay, so back into the headset now, just recording in there as well. And it's popped up in the Mesh application to allow to record audio. I'm gonna click allow. And hopefully you can see the Mesh screen loading there. Okay, it's asking me to update the application. So you can see there, that was the other application I previously had, which I didn't see before, which I did get downloaded onto the headset, which was missing there for some reason. I thought I'd replaced it, but it wasn't. So the old one, which is available through App Labs, is obviously deprecated now, so it's an older version of it, and we're re-downloading the newer version here. So a little bit of trial and error going on here, but it's good to show that things don't always work perfectly first time. So it's installing the newer version of it, the Microsoft Mesh application. I may have to do the device login again here. So we've got the Microsoft Mesh, we'll open that. And we'll see what happens this time. Fingers crossed, because we've done the device login, we might not need to do it again. But I'm totally wrong, and we do need to do it again. So what it wants me to do is go to my computer and go to device login. So basically what it'll do is activate the Quest device linked to my Microsoft account. So we'll jump over to the PC, go to this URL, microsoft.com/device login, and hopefully we'll be able to get the Quest set up. Okay, here we are on the desktop machine on my PC, personal PC. So what I'm going to do, I've got the Microsoft Teams meeting waiting there, just ready. But what I'll do is in the browser, I will go to microsoft.com/device. So microsoft.com/device login. Okay, so on the screen now, I need to enter the code. So it'll be a unique code for yourself. I'll enter the code there into the browser. Right, so this is going to ask me to log in now. So I've got my Microsoft Teams. I do have 2 accounts with Microsoft Teams. I've got the Ben Huson at husondev.co.uk. I'm not going to link that one. I'm going to link another account I've got, which is Benjamin Huson at husondev.co.uk, another test account. So I'm going to now log in with this, verify my login. So we're going to continue with this. And we're done. So what we'll do now is jump back over to the headset.
Okay, so we've got things going now. Put the activation code back in the browser and we're up and running now on the newer version of the app. So I've just got a license agreement in which I'm going to agree and continue to. As you can see, because I've been invited to that Teams meeting I showed on there, I've got the ability to join the meeting. So what I'll do is I'll do it on here first, join here first, and see. We'll just basically see what happens. So I'm going to click join. You can see I've got my previous avatars that I set up on there, which are looking great, actually nice and clear. And you can see that I've got the Quest join there. What I'll do is I'll turn the microphone off, just so I don't create any kind of echo feedback in the room, and I'll click join now. So it's the first time I've done this. I'm not sure what to expect, but it's loading the Microsoft Mesh as it says, downloading the mesh content, which is interesting. Whether it needs to do that every time or just for this single meeting, I'm not sure. Loading the main environment. Hopefully I should be presented with a meeting where I can see me in there. It's talking about mesh, what mesh is. You can see the mesh environment, the immersive space that I'm in. You can see my test account over there in the corner. So let me just step through this, make sure so you can see my arms, see the environment, and you can see just a little tutorial there just to step through. So you can see I can go to different seats and sit there. I can move between different seats, which is similar to Big Room VR. You can do there. In fact, it's very similar in terms of the setup. So you can see down the bottom, I've got some controls down here. But before we go through them, let me just jump off the headset and I'll activate my camera or my avatar, perhaps on my test account over there, and see what happens. So yeah, we'll pause there just for a minute and I'll jump back to the PC.
Okay, so jump back onto the PC now. You can see I've got the Teams meeting open here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this meeting. I'm going to join back in. Join now. I'm going to turn the immersive space view on. So hopefully I should join the same Microsoft Mesh immersive view as the account I've got logged in on the headset. Again, I've not done this on the PC yet either, so let's just see how long this takes to load. Okay, so we'll load it up. Okay, so it's asking me what I want to join with, so we'll join with speaker as my HDMI output, and then that will do for now. We'll do a join now. So back on the meeting window here on the headset, I'm just going to rejoin on the headset. Okay, so now I'm back in on the headset. So let me just set this off to record on the headset so I can show this on screen. So currently I'm on the headset. You can see the Teams meeting on screen, and you can also see my avatar that I'm on the PC with there. So if I grab my mouse, and let me just turn it around, and you can see on there, I've actually turned the avatar around. So as I move it with the mouse, you can see the avatar's face changing. So I've got the person on the PC with the avatar loaded. I've got this one here, and you can see from the screen, if I just look through my headset, you can see me moving around on there as well, which is really cool.
So now we've got both a PC user connected with their avatar, me and my headset connected, kind of looking at each other. Quite difficult to do because it's kind of me doing both, but you can see both there. So what we'll do now, I'll just jump back to the headset and just show some of the controls that we've got within the application on the Quest.
Okay, so back on the headset, recording the screen with inside the Quest. So you can see I've got different controls down here. I can see who's in the meeting. So it's my account on the PC and my account in this immersive space on the headset. I've got a chat function, so I can type away in there and type a message. So I can do hi and send that. I've got the seating overview, which is showing the seats that are dotted around the room. I've got mute and unmute. Environment settings. So I can change between the different settings. So I've got the Lake House, Oasis Small and Oasis Large. So click on Oasis Large and see how quick that changes. So we'll proceed with that and see what happens. So I imagine I'll probably have to download some extra content. Yeah, we can see up there for some reason it's downloading the content. Waiting for mesh session, and there we go, we've switched over. So you can see my other account is now over there. And on the PC, it's asking for microphone permission. So I'll just click OK on there. OK. So the room is changing on the PC as well, I can just see that. So yeah, so we've got the environment settings, which is giving us some different stuff. So you can choose between different places, and then you can actually change the environment within this space, which is pretty cool. So I guess if you want a different layout, you can change the space. You can see my avatar floating in front of me there as well. So I can raise my hand, and I can send reactions also as well, which is pretty cool. So I've got the menu as well on there. Let's just jump through these really quickly. Settings, got different themes, different languages, controls, display and sound. So we've got graphic quality, which we can actually make even increase. Accessibility settings. So tons of stuff in there to explore. But this is just a really, really quick look. I've just done this kind of real time. I've not tested this previously, so apologies if the video is a little bit jumpy from place to place. But it's looking great. Works really well. I probably need to test this with someone else to see what they look like within here, and I can actually have a real meeting. But first impressions are looking really good in terms of the setup process. Really simple to do. And the controls within there fit within that kind of Teams ecosystem. Slightly different kind of layouts, and the icons are a little bit different in terms of the roundedness, but overall, very, very good. Okay, so all done and dusted there. This was just a really quick look at immersive spaces within Teams, specifically using the MetaQuest 3. So brand new headset, I've got the MetaQuest 3. We've done two other videos on the MetaQuest 3 so far on the release of this video, which was an unboxing and a first use, which I'll link to up here, and I'll put in the description as well. So what I'll do is I'll do a bit more of a further detailed video once I've checked the features out a little bit more within immersive spaces and the mesh application. But if you've got any questions, comments, anything watching this video about it you want me to do in the next video, please do drop them into the comment section. I will reply and respond and feedback to all those questions and comments. If you've liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up. If not for any reason, give it a dislike, give it a thumbs down, and let me know in the comment section why. And if you want to follow the Huson DIY channel for more videos on the MetaQuest 3, Microsoft Teams, baking, cooking, DIY projects, all kinds of things, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.